In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make reflections in Figma. Creating realistic reflections in Figma is a fantastic way to add depth and polish to your designs, making your elements appear as if they're resting on a reflective surface. We'll achieve this effect in just a few straightforward steps. First, you'll need to duplicate the photo or element you wish to reflect. You can do this by selecting your image and using the keyboard shortcut Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows. Alternatively, you can copy and paste it. Once duplicated, immediately click on Flip Vertical in your Properties panel, which you'll typically find in the right sidebar. This action will perfectly invert your duplicated image. Position this flipped copy directly below your original image, ensuring it aligns seamlessly to begin forming the foundation of your reflection. Next, with your newly flipped and positioned duplicated photo selected, reduce its opacity. Head over to the Design panel on the right side of your Figma interface. You'll see an opacity setting, usually represented by a percentage. We want to decrease this value significantly to create a sense of transparency, mimicking how light reflects off a surface. A good starting point is somewhere between 20% to 40%. But feel free to experiment to find what looks best for your specific image and desired aesthetic. The goal here is to make it look like a subtle, semi-transparent reflection rather than a solid copy. Now, let's introduce a crucial element for a natural-looking fade: a linear gradient mask. Begin by drawing a rectangle shape directly over your duplicated, semi-transparent image. Ensure this rectangle completely covers the reflection. With the rectangle selected, navigate to the Fill properties in the right-hand panel. Change the fill type from a solid color to a linear gradient. This is where you'll define the fading effect. You'll need to set the two color stops of the gradient. Make one end of the gradient fully opaque, perhaps white or a color that blends with your background, and the other end completely transparent. Crucially, position the transparent end of the gradient towards the bottom of your reflection and the opaque end at the top, where it meets the original image. This creates a natural fade as the reflection recedes. Once your gradient rectangle is prepared, right-click on it and select Use as Mask. This action will make the duplicated image visible only where the gradient rectangle is opaque, smoothly fading out where it becomes transparent. Finally, it's time to make some adjustments to fine-tune your reflection. You can go back and tweak the opacity of your duplicated photo, refine the position and angle of your linear gradient by dragging its handles directly on the canvas, or even adjust the overall size of your mask. Remember, design is an iterative process. Play around with these settings until you achieve a reflection that looks natural and integrates perfectly with your original image and the overall design context. This step is all about observing and refining to get that subtle yet impactful reflective finish. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create beautiful and convincing reflections in Figma, adding a professional touch to your UI designs, illustrations, or any other visual elements.